Namaste children, I'm Shweta, your maths teacher. Let me continue today's class. Class 4 Mathematics, Chapter 11 Tables and Shares. We already completed Chapter 9, that is halves and quarters. Now we will move on Chapter 11, that is Tables and Shares. See, by no, what you can observe, what you can remember, tables and shares means, sharing means what? Yes, division. Tables means multiplication table you are using. So today we will discuss multiplication and division, that is tables and shares. Here one story is there, Shama's garden. Shama has planted sunflower, rose and marigold plant in her garden. She has planted them in 3 flower beds. Our garden looks like this. See, Shama's garden, she planted rose, sunflower, and marigold plants. You can observe here. See how she planted. You can see in this picture. See, she planted first sunflower. See how many sunflowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 sunflowers are there. 18 sunflowers. How she planted? She planted in only one row. See, 18 flowers she planted in one row. 18 plants. So if you can see the rose plant, see, in one row she planted three flowers, three plants. How many rows like that she planted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 she planted. So 6 rows, how many plants? 3 plants. 3 plants. So 6 3 is how much? 18. Total 18 plants it will be, right? So like that only, if you can observe here, see, marigold, how many plants she arranged, how many rows she arranged? 2 rows. So 2 rows, in each row how many plants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plants. So see, 2 nines are 18. So this is also 18. See, now you can observe children. Here the row is different. Yeah, the number of plants is same. So it understood that however you multiply, the answer will be same. So there are 6 rows with 3 each, that is sunflower. So sorry, here 6 rows, there are 6 rows and 3 each. So here rose plant. So like that only, if you can observe what are the ways in which the sunflower and marigold she arranged. See, sunflower is how many row? 1 row. Each plant is totally how much is there? 18. So so there is one row 18 plants. So 118 is 18 only. Like that only, if you see the marigold, see there are how many rows? 2 rows. In one row each, how many plants are there? 9 plants. So here 2 row 9 plants. So 2 nines also 18 only. So like that children. So like that, you too can make your own garden. You also take one sheet and you can make own garden. Draw a garden, any plants you can draw. So flower bed, you can showing 48 plants. Yeah, see, you can arrange 48 plants with your own way. Each row should have the same number of plants. That's it. Jars in the shelf. See, here Bima made a shelf for 30 jars. This is a long shelf with 2 rows. Each row has the same number of jars. See here, Bima in her home, he made a shelf. So in a shelf, how many jars are there? There are 30 jars are there. It is very long and big shelf. So here each row is same number of jars. Each row contains same number of jars. You can count. See, in row 1 how much number of jars are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So in one row 15 jar, another row also 15 jar only. You can count. Can you think of other ways to make a shelf to keep 30 jars? So like that only. What are the ways you can keep? How many row shelf you can make? See here, 15 means 15 twos are 30. So what is the another way? 10. 10 threes are. So 10 jar in one, see 3 row 10 jars. See in one row 10 jars. So 3 tens are 30. So like that. Draw a shelf, show how many jars you will keep in each row, how many row are there. You do it yourself this. Have your friends draw it in different way. See that this one you take it as homework. You draw a different ways to keep a jar. So but answer the in each row the same number of jars you need to write. Easy trick. I do see here. Your two friends are communicating. Easy trick. I do not know the multiplication table. See here, Bunty is saying, I do not know the multiplication table of 7. But Gudu, what he is say, I know the table till 5, but there is an easy trick. See, there is a easy trick to learn the multiplication table. See, she is telling Gudu, I can make the table of 7 with the help of 2 and 5. With the help of 2 and 5, she have one trick. With the help of 2 and 5, she can write the 7 table. What is that trick? You can see now. See, table of 2. You know table of 2, you know table of 5. Very easy tables. So here table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 13, so 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Like that only 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 40. See, she wrote 2 table and also 5 table. Then what she did? See here, 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 10, 14. 6 plus 15, 21. 8 plus 20, 28. 10 plus 25, 35. 12 plus 30, 42. So like that, she is adding both the number, both in a table. So then she get the 7 table. This is the easy trick. So see how I added the 2 number in the yellow box to get the table of 7. It is easy. I can also make the table of 7 with the table of 4 and 3. What she is telling, see, it is very easy. Then I can also make another way I can write the table of 7. So what he is saying, with the help of 4 and 3, he can write the table 7. Let me see. Help Bunty to make the table of 7 using table of 4 and 3. See this, you write it in your textbook only, childrens. See, 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 6. Here 14. Here 3 fours. First you write this 4 table and 3 table. Then you add it. 3 fours 12. 4 fours 16. 5 fours 20. So first you complete the 4 table and 3 table. Then you add. Okay. This you have to do it yourself. Do it in your textbook only, this thing. Now, how many cats? Some of Gayatri's cat were playing in a box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? See, here you can observe in this picture so many cats are there. You can see in a Gayatri cats. So some of Gayatri cats were playing. Gayatri is having so many cats, so that cats are playing in a box. When she tried to count, she is counting. See here, you can observe the cat's legs. All she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? If she counted the cats, there is 28 legs. See, she counted only legs. She can see only legs, cat legs. So she counted 28 legs. So 8 legs means 2 cats. You know that, right? If 8 legs means 2 cats, 12 legs means how many cats? So that you have to write here 4. See, for cat is having 4 legs. So 4 legs means 1 cat. 8 legs means 2 cat. 12 legs means 3 cat. Like that only. See here, 16 legs means 4 cat. 20 legs means 5 cat. So here, see, 24 legs means 6 cat. 28 legs means 7 cat, right? Right. See, she got answer. So 28 legs means how many cats? 7 cat. um Billu has kept his chicken in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? See, chickens is having how many legs? First, you remember that you think that, then your answer. In this one, you take it as homework. You answer with yourself. See, Billu has kept in a chicken in a box. Like that only, he also kept in a box chickens. See, it is having 28. If that chicken's leg he counted, so it is having 28 legs. See, what is the answer for this? How many chickens are there? You need to find. So like that only, Leela has not gone to school. Lena has not gone to school for 21 days. She did not go to school for 21 days. For how many weeks was she away from school? So what is how many weeks she away from the school? You need to find. So 1 week, how many days? 7 days. So how many days she didn't go? 21 days she didn't go. See, 7 in 7 table 21, how many times it will come? 7 3s are 21, right? So if 1 week 7 days means 2 week 14 days, 3 week 21 days. So here 3 weeks she didn't go. Jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? See, in a class 3, this jumping animal is there. See, this question is there in the third standard. A frog jumps 3 steps at a time, starting from O. See, starting from 0. See, here frog is there. So it starts from 0. It will step every 3 steps. First 0 through 3. So 3 to 6, 6 to 9. So like that 3 steps it is jumping. Count the jump it takes to reach 27. It takes to reach 27. What is the jump? What is the jump count? You need to find. So he has taken 27 divides 3. See how many steps it is jumping? 3 every 3 steps. So what at what jump you need to count? 27. So if you divide 27 with 3, so how many times? 3. See, 3 if you divide 27, 3 you divide 27, how 9s are 3 9s are 27. So how many steps it is? So it is 9 steps. Okay, he has taken dash jumps if he at 36. If it is 36, the frog is at the number 36. So what is the jump? You need to find 36 divide. So each step it is jumping 3. So 36 divides 3. How many times? 3 if you divide 36 means 3 ones are 3. So 3 twos are 6. 12 threes are 36, right? So how many, what is the jump if we take at the 12? So like that you have to divide and you have to write. This also you do it in your textbook only. If he is at 42, he has taken dash jump. So like that you divide 42, you divide with 3. So what is the quotient? So that quotient you have to write here. That's it. So do it yourself, children, this division. Starting from 0, a rabbit jumped 5 steps. So here like that only. Starting from 0, the rabbit is, how many steps it is jump? So rabbit jumps 5 steps. So 5 steps means in how many jump does it reach 25? See how many jump does it reach 25? So 25 if you divide with 5. So what is the answer? 5 is a 25. So at 5 step, so see here it reach 25. So he reach after taking 8 jump. So he reached dash after taking 8 jump. So if it is 8 jump, what is the answer? See, you know that the rabbit is jumping every 5 step. So if it is 8 step, if it takes 8 step, what is the difference? Then you have to multiply there. 8 5s are 40. So the answer is 40. He needs dash jump to reach 55. Same thing, you have to divide that. 55 divides with 5. So your practice time, division divide, you have to do it is single digit only, very easy only. So take it as homework. This, take it as homework. This one is homework. Please do children's homework. Next, seashell. See here, Dhruva lives near the sea. He thought of making necklace for his 3 friends. He looked for seashell the whole day. He collected 112 seashell by evening. Now he had many different colorful and shiny shells. Here, see, the question is Dhruva, he is living near the sea. What he thought means he thought of making necklace for his 3 friends. He is having 3 friends. So for 3 friends, he used to make the necklace. So by using that seashells, see, seashells he has collected some seashells. How many seashells he collected? 112 seashells he collected. So he collected 112 seashells by evening. Now he had made it is having many different colorful seashells. I will make a necklace of 28 shells. Will this shell be enough to make necklace for all my friends? See, he is having how many shells? He is having how many friends? 3 friends. He used to make the necklace. How many shells he used? So he used 28. So 28 he used. So but 3 friends he is having. So how much he needs? How much necklace he needs? So here you 28. If you multiply with 3, you will get the answer. 2. See here 4 2. He needs 84 shells. Now, first what he did, he took 28 shells for one necklace. For one necklace, he took 28 shells. So, 112 minus 28. So, 12 minus 8 is 4. See here, if you take borrow, it will be 0. So, 0 means again you have to take borrow. So, 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So, it is 84. Now, he was left with 84 shells. Again, he take 28 more shells for the second necklace. For the second necklace, what he did? So, 84 shells is this having. So, minus 28. Again, 28 shells he took. So, 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. Here 7 minus 2 is 5. So 56. So totally how many shells he left out? 56. So he was left with 56 shells. So 56. Again he need to make the how many necklace can Dhruva make from 112? See, so he was left with 56 shells. Then how many necklace can Dhruva make from 112 shells? The question. How many necklace can he make from 112? shells. What you have to do here? See, 112. How many necklace in it? So 56. If you minus say 28, 56 minus 28 is how much? 16 minus 8 is 8. So here 4 minus 2 is 2, 28. See again 28 necklace is remaining. So 28 necklace is remaining means already 3 necklace it did. So 20 again 28 shells are remaining. So how many necklace? Again one more necklace he can make. So totally 4 necklace he can make from 112 shells. Are the shells enough for making necklace for his all friends? Yes, extra one necklace also he can make. Now, Kanu made a necklace of 17 seashell. How many such necklace can be made using 100 seashell? Same question what we did for first thing. See, total number of shells are 100. Seashell required to make one necklace is he is taking 17 seashells. Number of shells left after making one necklace. So after making one necklace, so 100 minus 17. In that 100 shell, he took 17 for make one necklace, so it is 83. So again second necklace he take again 17, so 83 minus 17 is 66. Again he take 66 minus 17 is 49. Again fourth necklace he take 49 minus 17 is 32. Again 32 minus 17 is 15. See, you have to stop here because he have to take 17 seashells to make the necklace. See, totally how many necklace he can make? Only 5 necklace he can make by using see by using 17 seashells he can make only 5 necklace. So still 15 shells are remaining. Therefore 5 necklace can be made by using 100 seashells. That's it. Manpreet won 1500 sacks of cement for making a house. A truck carries 250 sacks at a time. How many trips will the truck made? See, your question is Manpreet wants 1500 sacks of see how to construct the home means you need how many cement sacks? You need see 1500 sacks of cement you need. In one in a truck carries 250 sacks at a time. In one trip a truck carry 250 sacks of cement only. So like that 250 in one trip it takes means it want to reach 1500 means how many trips it will be take, you have to answer like that only. A driver charge for one trip 500 rupees means so how many trips it take, how much the driver Manpreet want to pay it to the driver. You have to find. First you have to find the number of trips. Number of sacks of cement Manpreet need for making a house is 1500. Sacks carried by one trip is 250. So sacks carried by truck in two trips is 250 multiply with 2, that is 500. So sacks carried by truck in three trips means so 250 into 3, that is 750. So sacks carried by 4 trips is 250 into 4, 1000. So until 1500 if you get until unless you have to multiply and go. So sacks carried by 5 trips, so 250 into 5, so it is 1250. So sacks carried by truck in 6 trips, so 250 you have to multiply with 6500 because one trip 250 sacks of cement means 6 trips it carries 1500 trips. So you can divide also by 1500 divides with 250, or you can do like this multiplication. Hence number of trips made by truck to carry 1500 sacks, that is you can divide 6 trips. Therefore a truck needs 6 trips to carry 1500 sacks of cement. So how much a driver if for one trip it charge 500 rupees means for 6 trips how much? So you have to answer. What you have to do? Multiply you have to do. Multiply and you have to know how much the answer. Gangu sweets. Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. The question, are the sweets in a tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? See here, Gangu is making sweets for Heel. He made in one tray 80 laddus he can keep. So 80 laddus he made. But here Rabia, what she is asking, please pack 4 laddus in a box. I need 23 small boxes. See what she is asking. She needs 23 boxes of laddu. Each box contains 4 laddus. So she need like that. Are the sweets in a tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? Let me check. Number of laddus needed to pack one small box. For one small box, how many laddus he can keep? 4. Like that, how many boxes she need? 23 boxes. So you have to multiply there. 4 multiply with 23 means 92. So yeah, only in 80 laddus he made. So therefore 80 laddus are not sufficient to pack 23 small laddus. How many more sweets are needed? You need to subtract there. See, number of laddus required for pack 23 small box is 92. Number of laddus available is 80. So 92 minus 80 is 12. Still 12 laddus is I need still 12 more laddus are required to pack 23 small boxes. Like that only, practice time. Neelu brought 15 storybooks to her class. Today 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? See here, Neelu brought 15 storybooks. 15 storybooks he brought to our class. The total number of students are 45. um, how many, see, only 15 books are there, the number of students are 45. So how many children will need to share one book? How many children want to share? So you need to find the total number of students in the class is 45 children. Number of book Neelu brought is 15 books. Number of children to share one book is, you have to divide there. 45 divides 15. So 3. So totally 3 children want to share one book. A family of 8 people need 60 kg wheat for a month. How much wheat does this family need for a week? See, a family of 8 people is there in a family. So they need 60 kg of wheat for a month. In 1 month, 60 kg they need for 8 people. How much wheat does this family need for a week? For a week, how much the wheat they need? So number of days in a month is how much? 30 days. Number of days in a week, 7. Need of wheat for 8 peoples in 30 days means 60 kg. 60 kg in a month. In a month, 30 days. So 30 days, 60 kg means you need to find the week. So need of wheat for 8 peoples in a day. In a day is 60 divides 30. So 2 kg. In a 1 day, 2 kg means, so in a week, so therefore need of wheat for 8 people in a day is 2 kg. So in a week means, you know that in 1 week 7 days are there. So 2 into 7. So that is 14 kg. In a week 14 kg they need wheat to find wheat. Razia want change for rupees 500. See, 500 rupees Razia is having. She need, how many notes will she get if she want to in a return all 100 notes. See, all 100 rupees notes she needs means, for 500 rupees, how much notes she want? See, you have to divide there. 500, if you divide with 100, you will get 5 is the answer. So 100 rupees notes she need for 500 change, right? 100 rupees she need means how much she need? 500 notes she need. So like that. All 50 rupees notes means you have to divide here also. 500 divides 50. So what is the answer? 10. So like that. Like that, all 20 rupees note, you divide it and you write the answer. Activity, children. See, for example, 6 4s are 24. So for that box, you have to color with light blue. So like that, the codes that I have given already. By using these codes, you have to color it. Do this activity, take a pic and send to me.